Understanding the nail matrix, an essential guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, nail matrix. Often encountered in biology or health-related contexts, this term can be a bit tricky to understand. So, let's explore its meaning and usage together. The nail matrix is a term that refers to the part of your finger or toe where your nail starts to grow. It's located under your skin at the base of your nail and is not usually visible. The nail matrix is responsible for creating the cells that become the hard nail plate, which is the part of the nail we can see. Understanding this term is crucial, especially for those interested in biology or healthcare. Let's look closer at the phrase, nail matrix. Nail refers to the hard, protective plate on the tips of our fingers and toes. Matrix, in this context, means the origin or the source where something develops. It's a term often used in scientific and medical fields. By combining these two concepts, nail matrix specifically points to the origin point where the nail begins its growth. To help you understand how to use this phrase in real-life contexts, here are some examples. The doctor examined the patient's nail matrix for signs of infection. In beauty treatments, it's important to take care of the nail matrix for healthy nail growth. These sentences show how the term can be used in both medical and everyday contexts. That's all for today's lesson on the nail matrix. I hope this video has helped clarify this interesting term for you. Remember, learning a language involves exploring a wide range of phrases, especially those specific to certain fields like medicine. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.